Every mission in the sea begins long before we reach the depths. Data guides us through the unknown on this mission in the sea.
A signal emerges from the ocean's silence.
The deep ocean holds secrets waiting for our mission to uncover. A glimmer of metal signals the start of our mission in the sea.
Our mission in the sea moves through life thriving in the depths.
Obstacles in the deep challenge our mission in the sea. Precision is everything for the success of our mission in the sea.
Even in the dark, the ocean watches our mission in the sea.
The first hints of the lost plane appear during our mission in the sea. Our mission in the sea begins as the aircraft slowly comes into view. Every detail is carefully examined during our mission in the sea. The complete layout of the aircraft reveals itself to our mission in the sea.
Our mission in the sea uncovers the secrets hidden inside the plane.
Our mission in the sea uses advanced machinery to carefully examine the wreck.
Precision machinery uncovers hidden sections during our mission in the sea.
Our mission in the sea documents the entire aircraft using high-tech machinery.
Machinery explores interiors unreachable by humans during our mission in the sea.
Specialized machinery secures fragile sections for our mission in the sea. Our mission in the sea reveals the lost plane in its entirety, aided by advanced machinery.
Our mission in the sea now prepares to lift fragile sections of the aircraft.
Precision machinery secures the plane for the next stage of our mission in the sea. Our mission in the sea carefully raises each section of the wreck. The team ensures every move is precise for the mission in the sea. Each section rises under careful observation during our mission in the sea. Even the smallest details are recorded for the mission in the sea. The mission in the sea continues with careful handling of fragile structures. The full aircraft is now lifted slowly during our mission in the sea. The mission in the sea relies on teamwork above and below the waves. Our mission in the sea completes its first successful recovery. The mission in the sea continues as more of the plane reaches the surface. Every detail matters for the mission in the sea, even the final tail section. The mission in the sea observes life continuing around the wreck. Machinery makes fine adjustments during our mission in the sea. The mission in the sea captures the full scene from every angle.
The mission in the sea depends on precision and teamwork.
Our mission in the sea reveals the plane in its entirety, ready for surface recovery.
Our mission in the sea achieves its goal, the lost plane safely revealed. Our mission in the sea ensures every wing is restored with precision. Digital machinery captures the aircraft's full structure for our mission in the sea. Controversial technology. Our mission in the sea relies on teamwork and careful planning at every step. Our mission in the sea ensures every panel matches the original structure. Our mission in the sea continues by verifying every instrument. The mission in the sea ensures the aircraft's tail is fully restored. Digital reconstruction confirms the success of our mission in the sea.
Tripping over.
Our mission in the sea verifies every system before the final reveal. Machinery is on standby to complete the mission in the sea. The mission in the sea ensures the aircraft matches its original form perfectly. Our mission in the sea brings light to the long-lost aircraft. Our mission in the sea ensures every surface is restored perfectly. The mission in the sea validates the aircraft's complete reconstruction. Our mission in the sea brings the lost plane back to life. Our mission in the sea concludes with the lost plane restored and revealed for the world. The mission in the sea preserves history without erasing it. The mission in the sea honors the aircraft's final moments. The mission in the sea ends with reflection, not celebration. The mission in the sea began where the ocean kept its silence.
Life continues beyond every mission in the sea.
The mission in the sea leaves the depths behind. This story is a fictional concept inspired by mystery.
Our mission in the sea imagines what history has not revealed.
This mission in the sea is a work of imagination.